Grand Surveyor 253RLS. Surveyor is one of Forest River's best-selling laminated travel trailers, perennial top 10 travel trailer brand. The Grand Surveyor is the top of the line Surveyor. They also make a Surveyor Legend and a Surveyor Legend X Camp Series. All right, so we'll check out the interior. So on the back wall, you have your theater seats, giant window. All right, I like that they put ledges on each side of the theater seat. Lots of storage throughout. All right, in your dinette, you have storage on each end that does convert down into a bed. Your 12-volt refrigerator is going to be in your slide, as well as this nice big pantry. I do like that they add the nets so things don't go shaking around too much in transport. So this is part of the Grand Surveyor series. So the Grand Surveyor upgrades are going to be the front window with the LED lights and the fiberglass front cap. You'll also get electric stabilizer jacks, a fireplace, and then you'll get some upgraded reading lights in the bedroom. There's central vac. I like having the toe kick that you can just sweep things into. Really nice, well-done kitchen with a lot of windows. All right, couple nice upgrades. Behind the range, you actually have a Surveyor cup, so that's a good thing for utensils. And then there is cutouts for knives. You have tire pressure monitoring system. You have the nice roller shades. All right, TV is on a swing arm. All right, I like that the 4 cabinet doors up there. You'll have a bottle opener, of course. You have nice extension on these drawers. So a lot of storage in the kitchen. There is a flip-up countertop. The Surveyor branded bottle opener. You see the high-rise faucet. There is also a cutting board. Nice thing with this cutting board, they put a separate storage area, because sometimes those are like, what do you do with them, you know? But you see the nice big deep sink. All right, you have a walk-through bathroom. Okay, so there is a medicine cabinet behind the mirror. They do just a nice little touch on here. They have a little toothbrush holder. The toilet is going to be a porcelain toilet too, which is going to be a lot easier to keep clean. And then you have a nice, nice size shower. Okay, so separate door to the bedroom. You'll see that nice window does have a shade on it. They give you 4 drawers underneath the bed. And then there's just a ton of storage in this bedroom. I like that they carve out these little nooks on each side of the bed. Those will have cup holders, outlets, USBs, everything you would expect. And you still get a full-size wardrobe. And those are the upgraded reading lights above the bed. Hey, I think you can actually hang clothes in there. All right, and then even nice little touch here, they have struts to hold those overhead cabinets open. And this is prepped. This is 50 amp. It is prepped for a second air conditioner. All right, so here's your exterior. So a couple things. You have a power tongue jack, which most trailers do, but that does have a light on it for nighttime use. The electric stabilizers is part of the Grand Surveyor package. You see the aluminum framing, very nice and finished off. Those are your slam latch baggage doors. There's your electric stabilizers. And you are going to be a heated enclosed underbelly. You get the upgraded glass doors. And there will be an outside kitchen on here with a griddle, spray port, and a fridge. You'll have aluminum rims. I just like that you get a heavier door. I mean, it is reflective. There is a window in there, but just the structure of it seems to be more sturdy. This does come with a second 200-watt solar panel, so 400 watts of solar, which is a lot. Most brands are 100 or 200 watt. You do have an extended season, heated and closed underbelly. Spare tire on here. There is also a mount for a ladder and a pre-wire for a backup camera.